Hello, dear viewers. If you're finding it hard to stay hydrated during the day, here's a fun way to drink more water. CHIA FRESCA. It's basically chia seeds and water, and I'm going to share with you the quick method to make it today. But first, please subscribe Pure Nature Care and press the bell icon to keep in touch. We all know that water makes our body feel good, but sometimes it's just not easy to drink enough water. This CHIA FRESCA may help. Just mix together chia seeds and water, flavor it with some honey and lemon juice, and you got yourself an energizing, hydrating, refreshing drink that's going to make you want to drink water all the time. Plus, the floating, gel-like, plump chia seeds are just really fun to sip on. So here's what you'll need. You'll need filtered water, chia seeds, honey, and lemon juice. So let's get started. Please press the like button if you think we deserve. I like to do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for every 12 to 14 ounces of water. So we're going to go ahead and fill up the cups with water. And right away, you'll notice the chia seeds are floating to the top and some are sinking to the bottom. So while we're waiting for all that to happen, and for the chia seeds to plump up, let's discuss why it is so helpful. The water is super hydrating and it's going to make you feel energized. Second, the chia seeds. Chia seeds are plant-based protein, so they have not only protein but also fiber and healthy fats in there as well. So they're going to keep you feeling satiated and just help overall with your digestion. Third, lemon juice. The lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, so that's really going to aid digestion and also give you some energy. And then the honey, just there to sweeten things up. Let's check up on the chia seeds again. So now it's time to flavor it. You can have so much fun with this. I like to keep it simple with just some honey and lemon juice, just to make it accessible on a daily basis. But you can also put some fresh herbs in there like mint or basil. And you can put pureed fruit. And there you have it. CHIA FRESCA, that's energizing, super fun, and just very hydrating. It's just a great way to have your water and get some extra benefits as well. Try it, then comment below. Is it worthy for you or not? And if yes, then share it your friends and family with pressing the like button. It was all for today, so till the next video. Take care and stay healthy.